Kensurfs here, and another shave video. Well, I didn't know if I could get one or two or more of these in this week, but definitely looks like I'm going to be able to. Today I'm going to be doing actually a thank you shave. There's a gentleman at my work named Eric. He was our intern while he was going to college, getting his degree in electrical engineering, and he worked with the state of California, over a year. And he was a big help to us. He was doing every bit the work of a civil engineer and an electrical engineer. Well, unfortunately, he had graduated and there were no openings in our office. So we had to give him a goodbye party last week, took him out to big lunch, and we're gonna miss him. So I took Monday off, and when I came in from work, there was a gift waiting for me. He had brought gifts for all the engineers that he worked with, which he really shouldn't have done, and I mentioned that to him. Well, he said, no, you guys have been a big help to me, and I appreciate it. So I told him, well, I'm gonna do a shave with this gift. And this is from the Art of Shaving. And we actually have a brick and mortar store in South Coast Plaza in Costa Mesa, probably about 5 miles from the house here. But man, the stuff is spendy. But what a nice guy. He went in and got me a whole kit. So we're gonna do a shave today with this. Thank you very much, Eric. I appreciate it. You didn't have to do it. I do appreciate it. So I'm gonna open this up. We got the Benchmade 710 there. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna try out these products. And I've actually only tried the lavender collection from Art of Shaving. So this is the first time I'm looking at the Sandalwood. And I was looking at, I think it was Anthony Esposito's video today, and he had done a review on the Sandalwood, and he said it was one of his favorites. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out. We have our own brush here. Might be a synthetic. Can't tell. Might be a synthetic. So we're gonna actually it might be a boar. Very soft. God, maybe it's a badger. Small knot, very soft. I'll know it in a minute. We'll put it into the crystal skull here. Let's see here. Oh yeah, she's a badger. All right. You can tell when those badger brushes have that scent of like a wet animal. And that scent goes away, after you use it for a while. All right. We've got the pre-shave oil. I'll be using that. And the shaving cream. Now, I watched Anthony's video, and he was using the shaving cream, and he was whipping it up into a lather because he had it in the jar. So I'm going to use the Van Yule bowl today. I'm going to whip that. Hopefully this is not a brushless one, but it didn't look like it was. And then we have the Aftershave Balm Sandalwood. Whew. So let's get started. Man, it's almost 5 o'clock. Oh, wristwatch check. I got my Seiko back from the watch repair store. They put the brand new bezel insert in and a sapphire crystal. I sent it out to have done before I figured out I could do it myself. So it's been like 3 weeks, but it came back. I'm actually gonna modify this. I'm gonna put on the oyster bracelet. I'm gonna probably have another video coming out soon having to do with watches. So all right, I'm gonna wet my face. Man, I almost poked my eye there. Wet my face and use the pre-shave oil now. My hands are wet. Is it a twist off? Yes, it is. It's a twist off. Oh, it's you could really get a lot. So I'm gonna put just a bit. Just a bit. There's the air freshener going on. Oh, sandalwood. Very good. Terrific scents, guys. Terrific scents. Get that oil off my hands. For the razor today, Rockwell 6S. And I'm using the same blade I used in my last shave, the Voskhod. So hopefully I haven't worn it out yet, and we're on setting, can you see that? Setting 2. There's no line on this damn thing. So yeah, you can set that up any way you choose. Those adjustables, man, I couldn't believe I had done that. All right, shaving cream. I'm gonna put a little into the bowl here. Not too much. Oh man, very good. Once I get that wet, it's gonna go crazy. All right. Got the Badger. Let's get some of that water out of there. And start whipping it. Oh yeah. It's a bowl lathering soap. Oh man, look. Yeah, it's not a face lathering soap. It's a bowl lathering soap. So that's gonna work good. I was gonna use the Kensurfs Summer Edition brush since this is the last weekend of summer. So, but I might have to use this in the next one. Sandalwood and Wet Animal. The sandalwood smell has overpowered the wet badger smell. It's almost no shave November again. Gonna have to grow the goatee out. Oh, nice. That's my test. It's funny, I actually ordered a brush from DS Cosmetics, the Sinatra Lennon brush. And look, just to have it, just because it's a custom brush, I just gotta have it. So that's on the way. I'll have to try out his brush. All right, Rockwell 6S. That's a heavy razor, guys, if you have not tried this. I haven't tried the 6C. It's a lot less expensive than this, but I don't like that setting. I do not like that setting, guys. I'm not getting any bite. I'm gonna turn it to 4. Make it a little more aggressive. That was not taking off any hair. Much better. Much better. Felt like it was just gliding over. Oh yeah, this is cutting. Setting 4. I have a 4-day weekend. I don't have to work tomorrow. Checking out that hide and seek horror movie tomorrow with my brother. And then probably going to see something with my wife and daughter and son on Saturday. But they won't go see the horror movies. Man, that actually feels aggressive. I'm glad I had the pre-shave oil on there. I better be mellow on my neck. I did not know he knew I had a video channel. I did not know he knew I was into wet shaving. Very cool. And he got me a cool pop. Another gent had got me that cool James Bond pop. So I have one at my office now and I have one here. So it's kind of cool. James Bond. I got the invoice from King of Shaves. They sent me a lot of good stuff to give away to you guys. So I've got some razors from Global Shave Club. I've got King of Shaves. I think I've got some DS Cosmetic brush. The giveaway will be coming soon as the packages arrive. I've got some package coming from Razor Emporium, their Aftershave, and soap. So I'm looking forward to trying that. A lot of mail calls coming. Almost perfect. Look at that. Go all over my shirt. If you guys buy a Badger brush and you smell that scent, that wet animal, don't get discouraged. The smell will go away the more you use scented soap. The quicker it'll go away. I had 2 brushes from DS Cosmetics. Well, I had the limited edition. I think they're gone. And the summer brush. And was in Badger. And synthetic. And the synthetic brushes outsell the Badger. And I don't know if it's just because the price is about a $10 difference, but I think it's popularity within synthetics. They're so soft. Cruelty free. All right. Oh, I found out during that Gillette Pure Shave, one of the guys was upset with me, and he said, you know, I think I told you. He said so much for my First Amendment rights, and he dropped me, and I didn't know what he was talking about. Well, it turns out, gents, and I knew this, but I didn't know that's what the problem. If you make a comment that YouTube doesn't like, they're going to delete it before I even see it. In fact, there's some comments that aren't even offensive that you guys put on. Maybe you're giving me a link to check out, and it gets sent to a possible spam file, and I never see it for a while. So he had thought I had, he was expressing his displeasure with Gillette, and I don't think he cussed or anything, but for some reason YouTube didn't like it and they took it off. So then when he found out it wasn't me, he was not upset anymore. So if you guys put comments and then they don't pop up, YouTube censors, my friends. YouTube filters. It's their channel. They can do what they want. I have no say over that. I have no say what commercials they run on my channel. They don't tell me. They're basing it on your likes, whatever you've been searching for. I had one funny comment today, and he said, a video with a guy shaving, that's the boringest thing on the planet. I'd rather watch leaves falling off the tree or ice melting than to watch a video with a guy shaving. So I looked at his profile, and his big thing is he's watching videos of how to fold a handkerchief. Now, I don't know about you, but if you're shaving and you're interested in products and razors, I just thought it was funny. But I just replied to him very nicely. I said, well, you know, dude, that's the beauty of YouTube. You don't have to watch anything you do not want to. I'll probably get an FU reply or something. Folding handkerchiefs, guys. Coming soon on the Kensurfs channel. Oops, knocking stuff down. Got my blades wet. Folding handkerchief. All right. You know, for a suit, you know, how to fold a gentleman's handkerchief in a suit. Now, I can understand how to tie a Windsor knot or a tie or something, because my dad showed me, but my son, I've showed him, but he's not interested. He just has me tie it, unloosen it, and give him the tie. Oh, man, perfect. The Voskhod blade worked good. The brush worked good. Preshave and soap worked good. Look at that. 5th shave, no cuts. Aftershave balm, Sandalwood. All right, put a little bit in. very soothing feeling. Oh man, that smells good. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Eric, thank you again. You didn't have to do that, but man, I do appreciate it. Now I've got Sandalwood Preshave and Sandalwood Art of Shaving. I keep that on my top shelf, man, because I know that stuff's spendy. Thank you. All right, guys, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you again pretty soon. As soon as my products arrive, I'll do the giveaway. Maybe I'll do first, second prize, because there's a lot of stuff. So that'll be coming. It's not yet, though, but it'll be coming very, very quick. The stuff's in the mail, being shipped, on the way. All right, everybody. Till next time, Kensurfs, saying have a great night, a great weekend, and I will see you again very soon. Probably in a watch video and then another shave video. Till next time.